welcome to Wow DIY. In today's experiment, I will teach you how to make your very own polymer slime. Now, this isn't just a gooey good time. This activity will help us understand more about polymers and their properties. Now, polymers are made of long chains of molecules called monomers that are linked together like this. Now, one polymer might consist of hundreds of thousands of monomers. The kind of monomer used decides what sort of polymer you have and how it behaves. Polymers are everywhere. Plastic is a polymer, some of your toys are made of polymers, even some of your clothes are constructed from polymer materials. Follow along with this video and I will show you how to make your own polymer slime. First, have an adult help you gather the following supplies. You will need Elmer's glue, borax, around 3/4 of a cup of water, 2 bowls, a measuring cup, measuring spoons, some food coloring, a spoon to stir with, and some craft sticks. Now, this activity has the potential to get very messy, so be sure to work on a table or floor that you can wipe down easily. Let's get started. Begin by mixing 1 cup of Elmer's glue and a 1/4 cup of warm water in a bowl. You can add about 2 drops of food coloring if you want. In another bowl, add a 1/4 teaspoon borax to a 1/2 cup of hot water. Stir until dissolved. The warmer the water, the easier the borax will dissolve. Have an adult assist you so that you don't get burned. Once your liquids cool, slowly add the borax solution to the Elmer's glue and water mixture. Mix it thoroughly and carefully. You now have slime. Experiment with the properties of your slime. What happens when you drop it? What happens when you squeeze it slowly or just leave it on the desk? Does it behave differently when you stretch it versus tear it apart quickly? Form a hypothesis and record your results. Now we're going to make a second solution of borax. Again, you're going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of borax to 1/2 cup of warm water. Be sure to mix the borax and the water together thoroughly so that all the borax is dissolved. Now let's experiment further. Cut your slime in half and take your second borax solution. Put half of your slime in the solution and mix it together. You now have 2 different batches of slime. Go ahead and run the same tests on both batches. How did the properties of your materials change? In this experiment, it is the borax that allows us to chemically tie the polymer chains together. The amount we add dictates the behavior of our final product. This gives us a material that displays the properties of both a liquid and a solid. We call these sorts of materials non-Newtonian. When a force is applied, they act like a solid. When left alone, they flow like a liquid. Repeat this experiment until you decide on the perfect glue to borax ratio and make your own ideal slime mixture. This activity should provide you with hours of fun. Make sure you store your slime substance in a tightly sealed container and keep it away from carpets and upholstery. As always, be sure to clean up all of your materials when you're done. To learn more about the many amazing properties of polymers, search for concepts like monomers, polymers, resins, glass transition, and the recycling of plastics. Don't forget to visit us at wpafbstem.com to find more fun DIY activities. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you next time.